Welcome back to Days in Pain and Victory. I'm Josh, and today working on the Big Chief. A little over a year ago, maybe about a year ago, lost the transmission in my '79 Jeep Cherokee, and I want to do some wheeling this fall. So, kind of doing this last-ditch effort to just get it going for a couple more trips. I got this AMC Turbo 400, so it mates up to the AMC motor. Unknown condition. We're gonna put this in there. I am gonna pull the pan and check if there's any like metal and stuff, but basically fluid filter and see if this thing works, because got a couple trips I want to go on this fall, and then this winter Chief's going under the knife for a while. So if this doesn't work, no wheeling this fall because she's going down anyway. Let's get this thing swapped out. Just cleaned it up a bit. So we're gonna pull the pan, pull these fittings because I got new transmission lines in the Jeep, and yeah, we'll just pull this pan off, kind of inspect in there, see if there's any metal, and if it looks okay, we'll swap it in. Pretty sure this thing is toast. It smells like burnt fluid and it is gritty. I know you can have some grit in there, but that is a lot. Dang it. Alright, well, this is turning into a transmission teardown video because we're going to go ahead and rebuild this bad boy. It's been a couple months since I cleaned this thing up, but I've decided just going to rebuild this one. Keep running the quad track for now because I kind of put a bunch of new parts in that. So this will get me wheeling as quickly as possible. So I got a rebuild kit over there, and yeah, first time. Let's tear this sucker down. This automotive hobby requires a lot of grunting. Things are heavy, and that's just what Tin the Toolman Taylor would do. Ah. Jeez. I saw this thing where you could put a 13/16 box end over those tabs like that, and it kind of squeezes them in and allows you to push it out. That probably works when it's not, 50 years old or whatever this is. They're pretty brittle. I'm gonna have to replace that. That's all good. And pull this guy off. So it kind of looks like some of these are different sizes. I got some 7/16 head bolts and some 1/2-inch head bolts, and they look like they might be different lengths. So I'm gonna try to pull this valve body straight up. That way we don't lose anything where it's supposed to go. Set you right there. The kit should come with a new plate, but alright, so there's a number of check balls in this valve body, and I'm going to go ahead and take a picture of this so I can see where they're at. The book should tell me where they all go, but I'm going to take a picture just in case. No chunks of metal. That pan was dirty though. That one's gritty. Oh yeah, that smells terrible. All right, for the shift linkage, there is a nail, of all things, that holds it in position, which is kind of crazy. And then I got to pull that little nut off right there, and then this should all slide out. There's seals and stuff in here around the shift linkage that we got to replace. It's crazy. It's literally a finish nail. And that's how it was done. Now, I don't know if this piece has to come off or not to get everything apart. There might be some snap rings in there, but I believe this is the adapter to go to the board warner. Should probably pull that off, and then we'll put it on my little transmission stand. Yeah, that's gonna work out great. Catches all the drippies. Nice work height. Nice. Look up now. Remember, this part is tricky. Also, I'm going to take a picture of this so I can get it oriented correctly later. There we go. Alright, so the first big drum come out. This came out easy. This just popped out off this pin in there. Then there's, when you get to the second drum, there's a snap ring there. I believe you can just get out with a screwdriver. Screwdriver and tape maybe. Hey! Okay, so flip that over. All right, so that was my first set of clutch discs, and they were in like this. And what I learned was that you want to flip it over. That way you know that this one is the first one to go back in the transmission. And I'm lining it up with this drum because it was right behind this drum. So there's another snap ring that holds the second set of clutch discs in. We'll get that out. All right, well, forgot there's a 12 point headed bolt right here that holds the next section in. That's why I can't move that even though I got the snap ring out. And I don't have that size socket, so I'm gonna have to resume this tomorrow. But I'd say that's a pretty good start. I've only been working on it for like 30-40 minutes. But very excited. I think this is gonna be a fun project. I don't think it's gonna be too terribly tough. There's so many videos out on it. As long as I don't forget where anything goes. I got the manual, so. All right, we'll be back at it tomorrow. I'll get one of those sockets and we'll get this thing tore down the rest of the way. All right, same shirt, different day. Trying to save on laundry, all right? Picked up some 12-point sockets here. Let's see if it'll fit in there, hopefully. How does this thing come out? Needs some nippers. All right, I'm gonna have to grind this bad boy down so it fits. See if that fits. Don't you love buying brand new tools and then grinding them? Custom TH400 socket. Come on, man. Oh, please. Oh, what? W. Yeah, maybe I need to a little more off so I get a little more penetration. All right, took a little more off, so hopefully I can get in there nice and deep black. Oh yeah, that's more better. Oh yeah, that's it. Get in there nice and deep black. Okay, that's out. Let's see if that's what it takes. Yep, now it slides out easy. Okay, so there, that. That. It just pulls out. All right, when that bolt comes out, the rest of it just slides right out of there pretty easy. So the case is now empty, with the exception of, I believe this is like, must be the park, I don't know, doodad. So this can all be cleaned. Now there are some seals and whatnot that need to come out of here. I'm gonna leave these in on here until I know what my kit comes with, but I think there's some more clutch discs somewhere. There should be another set. It might be between here, but I gotta do a little investigating. Okay, okay. Oh yeah, there's more in here. Okay, so there's some. So I gotta get that snap ring out. Okay. How am I going to keep this? That like that, and this snap ring goes there, and this goes there. Okay. So this further comes apart. There, I believe this pushes down, and there's a snap ring in there, an external one. So this I need to put in the press in order to get that out. Might save that for the rebuild video though. All right, so now I'm going to take this oil pump apart. Woo, that's it. Cool, there's no like chunks of crap in there, so that's good. All right, I think I got it as far down as I want to tear it down for this video. These do come apart. There's like a piston thing in there and in here. So there's a bunch of springs in there. This one needs to be put in the press to get that snap ring out. This one you can do by hand. It comes apart pretty easy. But I kind of want to see what comes with my kit before I take all these completely apart. Honestly, I mean, I'm not a transmission guy, but I feel like these discs don't look that bad. So this thing might have worked with a good fluid change, but it's all good. This is a good experience for me. The pump looked clean, so got that all taken apart. So I've got lots of cleaning to do. So I'll be doing that over the next few days. And then on the next video, we'll be putting this sucker back together with new clutch discs, new bands, and hopefully have a successful rebuild. So anyway, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you got any advice for me, leave that in the comments too. I need all the advice I can get. Yeah, wheel it, wreck it, wrench it, repeat. See you next time.